So number your paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to skip lines in between them.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I skipped one.
Okay.
I did the same thing. Me too. I did the same. It's not like ice cream. What is a cup? Like a plus? Is it like mom or dad?
Special name.
Like mom or dad?
When you give the special name.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. When you give the special name, the first name.
Like Evan. Incubation of Chinese.
All right. Okay. So 1 through 10. Dennis, you have it? Yes? No?
I got it.
All right. Make sure you skip lines. That was the requirements.
I skipped mine.
Okay. All right. So we are going to go over math facts, but we'll have a little challenge.
Don't get too excited.
So I want you to number it because that's where you'll put your answer. So I'll give you the first fact. I'll say number 1. All you do is write the answer next to the number 1. Show it to me. Whoever shows it to me correctly, that's who gets the point. Okay? Simple. All right. Are we ready? Yes. Joshua, Vaya, Dennis. Yes. Making sure before I start. Okay. So I'll do it online and in person because it's a little different with the timing. Okay. So here's your first fact. When you get it, don't say it out loud. If you say it out loud, I'm not counting it. You just write it down. Show it to me on the screen. Okay. Write it down. So I'll show you the fact. You write it down. Show it to me. If you say done, or you say it out loud, I'm not going to count you. Okay. So let's see. All right, so go ahead. Let's first, so number 1, I'm on the first fact. You don't have to write the fact. You only write the answer. Only the answer. You don't have to write the fact. That's going to take a lot of time. Ready? First one is 2 plus 7. Write the answer. Show me. Okay, that's Faith in person. Let's see online who will get it first. 2 plus 7. Just write the answer and show it. Okay, good. That's Avaya. The answer is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. So at the top of your paper, Faith and Avaya, put a line to show that you have 1 point. Like that. Look how I put the line like that. 1 point. Just them two, because they're the only ones that got those. All right, are we ready for the next one? All right, next fact. Number 2. I'm on number 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Again. Let's see.
I got it.
Okay, let's Avaya again as well. 10.
I did 10.
Yes, you did do it right, but I was like, whoever, yes, it's great, but I wanted a little competition. We're trying to do our facts fast. Okay, next one. Number 3, ready? 5 plus 5. Okay, so that's I'm trying to think of the Mariah. Girl, I couldn't remember her name. Okay. I thought you had put it up, Joshua, but I didn't see if you did because you did have yours up. I just didn't see. Yeah, I took it down. Yeah. Put it closer.
So you have to write 1? No.
Okay, so Joshua, put a 1 at the top of your paper. All right, next one, we're on number 4. Ready? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2.
Did I get a point?
That's Avaya. No, that's Avaya. 8. Good. Come on.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you're getting them right. We're just doing it kind of based on speed. That's all. But it's okay if you're not getting them. As long as you're writing the answer down right. That's what matters. What?
Yay. I got 4.
5. Number 5. 5 plus 2. Oh, no.
Got it. Got it. I got it.
Kelly?
I
Yes, and that's Avaya again. 7.
got it. Did I get it?
She had put it up before you, so she had it. 7. It was right, though. Yes, it was right.
I got 2. I wonder what 6. How much you got?
Okay, we're on number 6. Ready?
I'm not ready.
Not yet?
I'm ready. I wrote in the wrong one.
Oh, okay.
Not her. Wait for me. I'm really ready. I have me too. My heart is sweating. Yeah, no. Ready.
All right, 6. Yes, we're on number 6. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. That's Faith and Havaya. 11.
3.
Good job. That means y'all are really practicing.
I got 3.
Not saying that others aren't. Okay, next one. 7. 9 plus 9.
I don't know. 12. I got 2. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, good. Avaya, Avaya and Kinley. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8. Ready? Number 8. Ready? 3 plus 3.
Got it. I have it. I get a point.
Yes, Avaya 6.
Do I get a point? I got it. I get a point.
Yes.
I got more than
It's
7.
okay, next one. Number 9. 10 plus 2.
I was breathing hard. Yeah, like.
Okay, 12. Yes. Avaya, yep.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's good, Joshua. Thank you.
I got 4.
Okay, and the last one, number 10. 2 plus 8.
2, 8, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get this. I did it. I got 5.
So that- Oh.
He goes.
Okay, good. All right, so we're not done. Go ahead and go to the back of this page, or maybe get a new page if you don't have any room on the front. We're gonna do the same thing. Number your paper 1 all the way to 10.
I
We're
got
gonna
it.
go to subtraction now.
It's subtraction.
Yes, we did addition. Now we're moving on to subtraction.
How many? Wait, let me see how many points I got first. 1, 2.
We'll calculate them after.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. I'm done. I was born. I just don't know how to write.
I mean, to read one of your sentences.
I'm done. Mommy, you're supposed to say done. But this time, that's what we're doing. Subtraction. You're correct. I'm smarter than I think.
10.
Okay, are we ready? Numbered 1 through 10? Not yet? Okay.
So nervous. I'm ready.
Okay.
Slam dunking, dunking, dunking. The master.
Okay, are we ready now? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. That wasn't. Your chart. All right, let's go ahead to number 1. So we are subtracting now. So we are taking away, losing. These are easy. So, all right, first one. Ready? Number 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Okay, that's Kenley and Avaya. 2. If you're finished, just show it to me. That's the only way I'll know. Show it on the screen. Okay, good, Dennis. Thank you. Next one. Number 2. 5 minus 1. Yay!
No.
Move it over a little bit, Joshua. I can't quite see anything.
5. I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 minus 1. Can you pick it up? I can't see anything. Okay, yes, that's Joshua. Thank you. Yes, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, next one. 6 minus 1. You don't have to write the fact. I only need the answer.
Yeah, we all get
Okay, good, Avaya.
I got.
Guys, remember I said you did not have to write the fact. You only have to put the answer. The fact, writing the fact would have taken you too long. You only have to write the answer. Okay, next one, number 4. 1 minus 0.
0. Yes, yes, yes. I got it.
Okay, Avaya.
You're not gonna win. How? 2, 3, 4. 4. I got 5. I mean 6.
Next one, 5. Ready? 6 minus 0. A tie.
It was me.
A tie.
So we
Let's
both
see.
did it.
Okay, go ahead, Dennis. Yes.
Me and
Yes, Dennis, that's yours. That was yours, Dennis. Okay, next one, meaning you had it first. 7 minus 1.
I got it.
Oh, I didn't get it. That's number 6, yeah.
6.
Okay, Avaya,
Do
yeah.
I get it?
7 minus 1 is
I
6.
got 7.
Kidding me. She had showed it to me.
I got 6 coins.
Okay, next one, number 7. 10 minus 0.
And 0. No, we don't. Hey.
Okay, Dennis, yeah? That was Dennis.
My heart is super beating. I got
Number 8. Ready? You saw it? I'm not gonna do that.
Miss Boy, this is one of these things.
Can y'all read my mind, what I'm thinking?
No.
No?
Trying to challenge us.
Maybe, this is not it. No, that's not it. 1 minus 1. This is the answer. That's not it. Ready? 4 minus 1. It's number 8. 4 minus 1.
3. Yes. I got it.
Let me see. Pick it up, Dennis. 3.
I know that. Miss Flugent? Miss Flugent?
Yes, Avaya.
Don't never do that again. Do not.
What? Reading my mind?
You made me think that was 0.
No, I did not make you do anything. I said it wasn't the fact. I had it up, but this was not the fact. This is the back of the fact. So no, it wasn't me. All right, 9. 7 minus 0.
Got it. 7.
Y'all are putting a tie again.
Yay.
Okay, let's see. Avaya and Dennis, go ahead. Joshua, you have it?
I got 7. I got 9.
Dennis, yes, you and Avaya will get that one. It was kind of like same time y'all came up on the screen. Okay, this is the last one. 10.
But I'm on 8.
Ready? 10. 9 minus 1. Okay, that's Avaya. So go ahead and count all your points, everyone. Good job, guys.
Okay, I got it. Let's do it.
Count them from the front and the back.
I got 8. I got 2.
Okay, how many do y'all have?
9.
9, okay.
I got
8, 14, okay.
14. 7.
7, okay. Good. Joshua, how many you have?
Stop. Stop. Play-Doh.
Oh, these good.
I got. No, I got.
Why?
You got 8.
1, okay, good. All right, good job, guys. So I just wanted to practice our facts, making sure that we know what we're doing when it comes to our math facts. So good job with that, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into our lesson on today.
14 points.
Awesome.
14 points.
All right, so today we are going to learn what's called pairs, okay? Not pear like the fruit, because we do have pears that are fruits, but I mean a pair like whenever you have a pair of something, okay? So we're going to learn what that means, because when we hear the word pair, we have to understand that a pair means a certain amount, okay? I'll show you how to draw pairs and how to figure out how many pairs in something. So think about it. Have you ever heard someone say, I have a pair of such and such? Does anyone know some things that people say that I have a pair of what?
Shoes.
I have a pair of shoes. Yes. Pair of shoes. No. Pair of shoes. What else do we have a pair of?
Game.
A pair of games.
I'm gonna say a pair of shoes.
That's what you said?
A pair of a pair of socks. Friends.
A pair of hands, you said, Joshua?
Friends.
Pair of friends. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then Dennis said a pair of socks. Yes. Okay. What else can we have a pair of?
Glasses.
A pair of glasses. Okay, what else?
A pair of eyes.
Pair of eyes. Good.
Pair of eyes. Pair of arms.
Pair of arms. Yep.
It's not funny.
Are we gonna get some self-control? Okay, a pair of what?
Shirt. Pair of clothes.
Pair of jeans. Say a pair of jeans.
A pair of shirts.
Pair of shirts. Okay.
Pair of shoes.
What about earrings? A pair of earrings.
Pairs.
Pair of earrings. A pair of boots.
Pillows.
Pair of hands. Pair of feet. Right? Pair of ears. So all of these things that we've listed, when we say we have a pair of, all of them means that we have a certain amount of them right here. So we're gonna vote. All of them have a certain amount. So when I say a pair of hands, how many is that?
2.
Or when I say a pair of eyes, how many is that?
2.
A pair of ears.
2.
A pair of earrings. If I have a pair of shoes.
2.
Right? So all of these mean 2. So instead of saying I have 2 hands, I would just say I have a pair of hands. So a pair means a total of 2. So whenever you say the word I have a pair of, that means you have 2 of those things. Now only certain things come in pairs, right? Not everything comes in pairs, right? We don't have a pair of fingers. No, we have 10 fingers. No way possible. Right?
Pair
Spelling.
of pairs.
A pair is a total of 2. That is important to know whenever we start to mark pairs and we start to show what pairs look like. Okay? A pair means a total of 2.
A pair of pairs.
So when someone says they have a pair, that means they have 2 of whatever that thing is that they're talking about. Okay? So we are going to learn how to draw pairs. So say if I want to count how many pairs of socks I have. Okay? So I pull all the socks out, and when I count them all by singles, meaning I count them by ones, because I'm not counting them by pairs, I'm counting them by ones, I have 15 socks, okay? So I have 15 socks. When I count each one, counting each one at a time, not 15 pairs. I have 15 socks. There's a difference. When I say 15 socks, that's 1 sock at a time, okay? I want to figure out from these 15 socks how many pairs I have. I have to draw it out to figure this out, unless you know multiplication. But if not, or division, I'm sorry, then we would have to draw it out. So I want to figure out how many pairs, which is the 2s, I have of socks. So I have to start drawing them. So when I start drawing the socks, I do 1, then I do 2. Every time I draw 2 socks, I am going to circle it to show that that's a pair. Because a pair is how many? 2. So that's 1, 2, that's 1 pair. Let's keep going. I have 3 and 4. That's another pair. Remember, a pair is 2. How many is a pair? 2. So I have 15 socks, and I'm trying to figure out how many pairs. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep drawing. 5, 6. Let's circle it. That's another pair. Every time you draw 2, you circle it to show that that is a pair. Okay? See how I did 1, then 2. I circled it, a pair. 1, 2, circle it, a pair. 1, 2, circle it, a pair. That's how you mark pairs, okay?
What are those?
Excuse me. It's a top. Every time you draw 2, that's a pair. Okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me keep drawing. 7, 8. That's another pair. 9, 10. Another pair. 11, 12. Another pair. 13, 14. Another pair. And then how many am I trying to get to?
15.
So then I draw 15. Now I can't circle this as a pair because a pair is how many again?
2.
And is this 2?
No.
So that's just a single sock. So I drew 15 socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I circled my pairs, which are 2s. How many pairs did I make?
15.
How many pairs did I make? I have the numbers on there. 7 pairs. I made 7 pairs. 7 sets of 2. That's a pair. That's a pair. That's a pair. That's a pair. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. So 15 socks made 7 pairs. Yes. For what? Okay. Okay, so I had 15 socks, and from the 15 socks, I created what's called the pairs. A pair comes in 2s. 2s, okay? 2. These are the 2s. Do you see that? I still have 15 socks, but I marked my pairs. Do you understand what I did? A pair is a total of 2. So I drew 2, then I circled it to show that that's a pair. That's why I have these numbers. That's how many pairs I have as I'm going. That's 1. Then that was 2. Then that was 3. Then that was 4. And this is 5. You see what I did? Okay, so let's go ahead and practice together. So if you have a loose leaf paper, get it ready. Let's practice 1 together. Drawing pairs out. Huh?
Could we draw whatever we want?
No, I'm doing it. You're gonna do it with me on the board. So find a blank space where you can.
I have a
Yes, again.
I only have my book of that's gray.
Okay.
I need a gray color.
Well, then just use the marker.
I have another one. I have hiccups. You didn't give it back again? Whoever the bigger person gets cast up the papers. I'm the big person. I'm the big person, everyone. I'm the pencil person.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we are going to draw 5 shoes. Okay, don't do anything yet. 5 shoes. So write that on the paper. 5 shoes. Dennis, are you still here?
I shoes.
Okay, if you can, I need your screen on, okay? Thank you.
I'm already doing. 5 shoes. 1, Wait, it's ES. Now I'm gonna write some shoes. She didn't say to write shoes. Mommy, I
Right,
need
so
your help.
5 shoes.
You have to write them, see?
No, I didn't say that. I said only write 5 shoes. So let's go ahead and draw our 5 shoes. So they don't have to be fancy, you know, we're not making them fancy. Let's draw 5 pairs of 5 shoes. I'm sorry, not 5 pairs, 5 shoes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shoes. Go ahead and draw 5 shoes. Do it underneath.
Okay, so a shoe.
5 shoes. Go ahead and draw the 5 shoes. This blue just is not an artist. So it's going to look like this.
I don't know how to do this.
5 shoes. Okay, so draw that.
I did it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I just put like, I don't know how to write. I accidentally did a V, but it's okay. Oh, this is how she do it. Oh, see, this is how you do it. This is how she did it. She did a V. This she do it. This. I see how she do it. I see how she do it. She do it like this, and then it's like an L.
Okay, do we have the 5 shoes drawn? Not yet?
No, ma'am.
Make sure it's 5.
I do.
Okay.
Mine look like L. 5. I have 5 shoes. That's how she wrote it. That's not how she wrote that. That looks like a B. And you like this. That looks like a B. No, it's a capital L. No, see, look up there. That's it's kind of like that looks like a stocking.
After you finish 2 times.
The food is like this. It looks like a jelly bean. It looks like a stocking. Okay, this kind of right.
Okay, do we have the 5? Yeah. Okay, so I have 5 shoes and I want to figure out how many pairs I have in 5 shoes. So remember, how many is a pair?
2.
2. So what do I need to do to show the pairs?
Circle 2.
Circle how many?
2.
2 at a time. Not circle 1, circle 2 at a time. So let's go ahead. So 1, 2, let's circle that. And then put a 1 to show that that's 1 pair. That's how I usually mark them. So go ahead and circle 2 of them together to show that that's 1 pair.
I did it.
Then circle the next 2 together. And then put a 2 to show that that's the 2nd pair.
What you do?
And then look at this last one. Can this be a pair?
No.
It cannot because it's only 1. A pair is how many? 2. It is not 1. So from 5 shoes, how many pairs can I make? 2? No, not 4. 4 is how many socks? How many pairs is what you circled? So that's only 1 you circled, 2 you circled. How many pairs can I make from 5 socks? 2 pairs. All right. 1 more. Let's draw 9 earrings.
I'm not good at earrings. Me too.
Okay, so we'll just draw circles like that. 9 earrings.
9 earrings.
I just put fancy.
1,
I'm gonna try to. How you put them?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so I just did like a circle and like a little dot to show like a hook part.
Yeah.
So 9 earrings.
Okay, draw 9.
9 earrings, yes.
I just hang it.
And we're not rushing because when we're rushing, 2nd grade, our work doesn't Okay, we have the 9 earrings. Yes. Yes, no. Yes, Avaya, Joshua, Dennis, do you have the 9 earrings?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So today, are we gonna read stepping
No,
stones?
we're starting that after the break. Do you have your 9 earrings drawn out? Okay, so let's go ahead and circle our pairs. Okay, so with the 9 earrings, remember how many is a pair?
2.
So we have to circle them in 2s. So let's look at the first one. So we have 1, 2. Let's circle it and put a 1 to show that that's 1 pair. Okay, next one I have 1, 2. Circle it to show that that's 2 pairs. Next one I have 1, 2. Let's circle it to show that that's 3 pairs. Then I have 1, 2 for the next one, and I have to circle it to show that's 4 pairs. I should have 1 left over, but I cannot circle that because it's not a pair.
Cannot number.
So how many pairs did I make out of 9 earrings?
4.
4 pairs. Because this last one by itself is not a pair. So this is what pairs look like. A pair is a set of 2 together. So you have to make sure when identifying a pair that you have them together just like this. This will be the easiest way. If you draw it out just like this, it'll be easier for you to figure it out. Now, if they give you the number of how many of the item, that's not a pair. It will always tell you, it will say either draw 5 socks or draw 5 pairs of socks. So you just have to make sure to pay attention to how it's worded in the book so that you can make sure to do the correct thing, okay? All right, so that's it for math today. I just wanted to go over pairs, so you'll see it in your book as well. Probably tomorrow, not today. Practicing pairs, okay? All right, so that's it for math. Let's go ahead and move on to our phonics lesson.
What is our phonics lesson about? Come on.